What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're on our way to Savannah, Harley Davidson, really fast, and we're gonna. I got a speaker. My left speaker here blew out, so it's been a little while. I think before Christmas, I ordered the speaker, so we're gonna head out real quick, and we're gonna do some speaker swapping. Here we go. Cold start. Holy damn. It sounds angry. It sounds super angry. Yet again, another 70-degree weather today. Beautiful day. We're gonna... I actually put a jacket on. It's gonna get too hot. Might have to layer down. Well, like I said, it's not that far from here, so I'm just gonna ride like this till we get there. I hope you guys liked the last video I did. I went on to lunch. Went to lunch with my wife. And it was great Colombian food. Not bad. I'm a little late to Harley Davidson. I was waiting for my couch to arrive. Let me move this over a little bit because it kind of distracts me a little bit. Make sure you just put it straight. There you go. And it won't move. Yeah, so I was waiting for my couches to come in. And they finally came in after 4 months. Wow. 3-4 months, something like that. Oh man, I love the roar of the KROME WERKS. I got the 4.5-inch pipes from KROME WERKS and the headers, the aggressor headers. Ooh, some lean action. I'm loving the new Clockworks windshield. Like I said, I'm 5'8". I have the Danny Gray seat. Fits comfortably, beautiful. Today is good because it's nice weather, but it's also a little windy. A little bit, not too much. Only when you ride. I think I'm gonna have to change my gloves. Let me change my gloves real quick. So we're gonna hit on 95. And just don't want my fingers to freeze or anything, just in case. Just in case. All right, here we go. I can't wait to go on that ride to Daytona with the new Danny Gray seat. I'll definitely give you guys a review. It's about a 3-hour ride from where I'm at. Yeah, baby. All this stuff right here, they're all gonna do something. This town is growing so fast. There's always building and stuff. It's great. All this stuff is for sale. So if you're watching this and you have money, big money, and you want to invest in bipolar, come on down. So like I was saying, back to the Clockworks windshield. This one reads from the screw, from the middle screw all the way to the top, measures exactly 10 inches. And I can still see right through it. Well, actually above it. You know what I mean? So from the screw to the tippy top measures 10 inches. The one that my buddy Robert Simon has, he has the Clockworks as well. He measures, I believe, from the center screw all the way to the tippy top here, measures I believe 8.5. So, and I actually sat on his bike and I wanted to make sure that I was comfortable, but I just wanted to make sure it was a good height. They also do make it for the road glides as well. So if you have a road glide, definitely look into it. They have a good aerodynamics of the air going all the way to the top, so it won't buffer your head or anything. So I don't feel anything. Usually like about right here I start feeling. So it's perfect. It's actually really perfect. On my way home I gotta put some gas. But like I said, we're only like 3 exits away from Savannah Harley Davidson, so it's a wonderful day for a ride. A lot of people down here told me that it gets a little hot and humid during the summer times, but we'll wait and see. All right, guys. Oh, we'll highway from here. All right, so we have arrived at Harley Davidson here in Savannah. Going to the service department. Like I said, we're gonna fix my speaker because I like to listen to music and I bumped it a little too much. Doing some dyno tuning over there as well. So we're gonna go over here real fast and so I came to Savannah Harley Davidson real quick to do my service thing, and then I'm gonna do fix the speakers and get some gaskets for my brakes. And then I come across the counter here, and they have this 131 kit raffle for $20. Check it out. So here you have it. Winning Screaming Eagle Milwaukee 8 Stage 4 kit for $20. So it comes from like the stage 2 all the way to stage 4, everything included. That is pretty cool. See that? So it fits from 17 later on miles equipped to the 114 or 117 Milwaukee engine. Does not fit a trike. All right. So this is 1, 2, And they got the 3 and 4, I guess, here. So that is awesome. For 20 bucks, why not? All right, ladies and gents, we just left Harley Davidson. Got my speaker fixed. And yeah, it's all good. Now I can pump the music nice and loud and ready for Daytona. God, the weather just keeps on getting better and better as the day goes through. Awesome. Let's rip it. Woo! Open her up, baby. I'm more of a highway guy. Some people like the back roads and stuff. It's, for me, it's a little boring. I'm more of a speeded guy. I more like to go just, you know, cruise and go. But if it is what it is, we know we'll take the back roads. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. You guys been great. I will continue to put out more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys subscribe, I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon, right before Daytona. All right, so if you guys subscribe, I'm gonna go look back at my subscribers and I'm gonna do a giveaway to a very special subscriber, whoever it is, before Daytona. All right, and if I'll come mail it to you guys. So if you're not from the area, I'll mail it to you guys, a nice gift from me. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Ooh, he wants to race, baby. Let's go. Woo! 110, baby, 110.